Live chickens, fresh one just coming in. They're bringing them in. I know, I don't want to make one chicken because right on the ring with chicken in them. If it's a chicken now and then it's fine. It's a fish. Put it inside. That's how they come in the crate like that. It's a lot of work for everything. Wow, it's a lot of work. I know it's that much work. Those are ducks. I like eating ducks, big ducks. Big ducks. I don't eat ducks. Some people like ducks. A lot of chicken. All of them is chicken in them. All of them. I gotta wait till he's finished because he's busy. I forget what I mean. Get more rice. Not easy, wow. Very interesting, right? You get fresh chicken if you want fresh chicken. Or you can go to the supermarket and buy the chicken and sell it. This one is much fresher, much better. I'm just raising my Jamaica, you know, small white one there. You might eat the brown one in it. Yeah. Let me get some chicken so I can cook. So that's how the chicken look in America, guys. When they come, it's not like in a backyard. Back home, it's how they cook, back home and raise them. They come from the shop, come in here, we buy them. We kill them and cook them and we buy them out. They got a lot more too. Look like they have a lot more now. Don't look like you're going to go somewhere else. Or Japan. You're not going that. It's okay. You're not going to go. What's chicken now? Good. Fresh chicken. I love the chicken. Huh? Those one having party. Alright, see what chicken you get. Let me know, is it?
No, it's not chicken. It's goat.
Oh, this is goat meat.
Yeah.
An old goat? Is that old goat you bought? Oh, nice. How much you charge for the old goat?
Like 300 something.
300, you're a nice wife, man. Let me catch you there. Put your hands up. The whole world gonna see you though. You don't wanna see? Okay. She said she don't want. She's a beautiful lady. But she get an old goat. So much you love her husband. Nobody not seeing it. But she get an old goat for birthday. No, look, a goat in the bag. Yes, a goat in a nice fresh goat. Go on, baby. I hope him don't cheat on you, you know. Because I hope he doesn't cheat on you. Because if he cheat on you, take a piece of the meat and slap him just like that. You put the iron hot, and you put him in the iron and fire, take out the meat and say, motherfucker, and slap him. Before the meat is finished, cook out. God bless you.
Okay, you
Yeah. More chicken. That's my boyfriend, you know. More chicken. Yes, guys, so that's ready. So from here now. Trying to get just one I mean, just one chicken, that's it.